It's like a Seinfeld episode, right? It's a podcast about nothing.
Yes.
Yeah.
The potency of Bruce's coffee is just not enough for you. You have to overload it.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
You need caffeine and sugar.
Yeah. Give me the pumpkin spice latte. give me all that. I'll have it all. Dubai chocolate latte.
Like a virgin Madonna.
Really?
Because it's so bad.
That's very bold.
It's so
choice
horrible.
of you. What's your favorite coffee order?
Favorite coffee order? For me, just a basic flat white. Love a flat white. But
It's classic.
yeah, just flat white.
Yeah.
But a big one.
Okay.
Yeah, really big.
Ambitious.
Yeah,
in the
big.
morning, straight in the morning.
But it's got to be really hot too, like super hot.
You don't have a special treat coffee order if you're feeling extra special. Special day. You don't add anything extra.
No, I don't.
What's with people over 45, 50 going I want it extra hot?
Yeah.
Right?
Why do you need it extra hot?
I
My
don't
dad
know.
does that.
I think because it's so big that by the time I get halfway through it, it's cold. If it's not hot to begin with,
Okay, that's a fair strategy.
Is it because you take too long to drink it, do you think?
could be
Spending too much time drinking it? rather
talking
than-
too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be.
What about you, Riley? What's your go-to?
Well, I like a basic latte. I always say a large latte, 1 sugar all the time. But if I'm in Starbucks, I'll try one of the specials. I like
Starbucks coffee?
yeah, I love a sweet coffee drink. I'm crazy about it.
The flappy lappy rippy yippy.
Yeah.
things,
All right, Melbourne baristas, if you're watching this, do not give us shade. All right? We'll be shadow banned.
Well,
okay?
I'm a coffee snob like Bruce, but I'll indulge in some sugary garbage if the opportunity arises.
The potency of Bruce's coffee is just not enough for you. You have to overload it.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
You need caffeine and sugar.
Yeah. Give me the pumpkin spice latte. give me all that. I'll have it all. Dubai chocolate latte.
Anything with a dash.
What about you, Tiff?
I'm a very classic almond milk latte. One, I can't drink milk because I'm lactose intolerant. Yes, I know. Absolutely diabolical, sad. Otherwise, just like a classic long black.
Yeah.
I can't get almond milk, classic long black.
I do go through phases and stages where I'll just have black coffee. Just black
That's
coffee.
the Canadian.
Yeah, I think so.
Which I think is valid because when I was living in Canada, you just can't get a latte that's
No.
not $15.
Yeah, not
so
easily. Yeah.
it's just drip pour coffee.
Yeah.
So
Just keep drinking it all day long.
yeah.
Yeah. Or it tastes like garbage as well. They'll say, "Oh, we have an espresso machine. We'll make you a latte." And you're like, "Oh yeah, no."
I'm sorry, no, it's
Yeah.
okay.
When I had my cabinet business a million years ago, we'd always have a pot of coffee on the go, and often it was just me there for the whole day. And it's like, what is that? 12 cups in a pot, and I would go through the whole thing in a day. That's how.
Did you sleep?
No, it was
Yeah.
like after a few months of this, maybe longer than that, I realized I gotta stop.
Why are my cortisol levels so high?
But then stopping after having drunk that much coffee for that long, it's like
It's like trying to quit smoking.
it is. It's like some, what do you call it? The after effects.
Yeah, the jitter.
Yeah.
With
Get that voice in your head. Oh, you could have another. Eat another.
Well, no. If I quit on a Monday, by the time Thursday came around,
Yeah.
not a happy man, and I've got a headache, and
It's the headache, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
just kind of highlights the fact that coffee is probably not that good for you if you have too much of it.
Yeah. The Joinery Business Podcast is sponsored by MaxCut Software. MaxCut is a small software business focusing on the cabinetry industry. Their main purpose and goal is to empower cabinet makers to estimate, cut, and complete cutless jobs more efficiently and easily without breaking the bank. Visit the MaxCut Software website linked in our description to try the free community edition of MaxCut Software to see what MaxCut can do for you.
So, if you were to describe your mood right now in an emoji, what would it be? I'll start. Mine will be the one with the really squinty eyes, where it's like that one.
Oh yes.
Yeah, lovely.
I think mine would be the one where he's going.
Oh yeah.
You know, like what
Yeah.
just happened? That would probably be mine.
The thinking slash.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm always the face that's the smiling, but it's upside down.
Oh
You
yeah.
know that one?
What does that mean?
Yeah.
That's your general mood.
Yeah. I think at all times that's generally how I feel.
Okay. I think maybe I don't understand emojis. I think is the problem. Other than the thumbs
actually,
up.
the one I can be is like this one. You know the
Yeah.
girl?
Yeah, yeah, just look.
Or the flipped hair emoji.
Yeah.
That one also too.
Yeah, okay. I can't do that one.
All right, what's your go-to karaoke song?
Oh. What's yours?
Like a Virgin, Madonna.
Really?
Because it's so bad.
That's like that's very bold.
It's so
choice
horrible.
of you.
And the only reason I picked that is because it's the only karaoke song I can ever remember singing in a bar. And we'd had a few beverages, and Blackie and I got up and sang
Oh yeah.
Like a Virgin to everybody in the bar. It was horrible. But
Was the bar into it, or was it dead awkwardly quiet?
Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know. It was just
too
just
drunk to.
a memory of mine of getting up, and now I think we shouldn't have done that.
At the time, you were probably like, yeah, that really, like we really resonated with the crowd. Like,
No,
it was awesome, guys.
I think we knew how bad it was,
Yeah.
but we were just having fun. Anyway, that's my only experience with karaoke, so there's my answer.
Yeah, I've never done karaoke, but I think I would do Video Games by Lana Del Rey.
Okay.
One, because I know
Okay.
all the words to it, and then two, I think it's so like melodramatic. You can add that camp to it, which I think would work in a karaoke setting.
Solid choice.
Yeah, excellent.
Thank you.
Mine is the sign Ace of Base.
Wow,
Wow.
This girl
that is
had
a super
hearts.
90s hit.
It was. It's just one of my favorite songs from the 90s.
But that'd be a tough song to sing.
I'm sure I do it justice in the car with the windows up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah, I have a great, really magnificent voice when it's just me in the car.
Yeah. You've got Schrodinger's voice. It's beautiful when no one's listening.
Exactly right.
Can't prove it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a good one. What's on your desk?
My iPad.
Really.
Yes, because every time I need to explain something, and you guys would know it when we're on Zoom and I'm trying to explain something with words,
Yeah, true.
don't always words well. I go, well, let me show you, and I just start drawing it. And I'm not saying I even draw well. I'm just saying that's my go-to mechanism.
You are a very visual person.
It's just too bad I'm not artistically talented too, so I can take what's in my head and actually draw it properly.
I'm not saying I support that statement.
Yeah, our Scribble.io session, you were whipping out some bangers last time.
Yeah.
If you could swap a role with anyone at the Joinery Coach or the Marketing Joints, who would it be and why? I would swap with Nigel because I'd like to learn more about the inside and have more knowledge around the factory and get to see that side of things for our clients.
Yeah.
I think that is such a valuable insight into the actual day-to-day daily occurrence of our clients, and that's what I would.
I think I would swap with Riley.
You'd say me.
Just simply because the creation of video, like if I could do that all day long, that would be a lot of fun. Because I kind of do that sometimes.
Yeah.
For too long. That would be fun. So it's a sort of a between Riley and Aaron, because Aaron often works with people right at the beginning of their journey, like the very basics. Sometimes the basics are a lot of fun because it's like, holy crap, I never looked at that before.
It's like an aha moment for
it's like all these new
clients,
beginnings, right? And that's really cool. That's kind of what he does a lot, is these new beginnings.
I don't think I was hoping. Like, I can't think. Everyone's so...
Everybody sucks!
Just in the sense that I think I'm perfectly suited for my role. I was going to say Aaron as well, but that's only so that then I could live in Sydney.
But he doesn't live in Sydney.
Doesn't he?
No,
He lives in that area though, doesn't he?
No, he lives up in Newcastle.
Oh.
Couple of
Well, that's
hours
even
up.
better. Newcastle.
Yeah.
What are they called? That area? Beautiful area, gorgeous coastlines.
It is.
What's one thing that makes you smile at work?
Wow.
I really like when I put together a video where I'm kind of real that I feel really like excited and passionate about, and then I post it to everyone and they all get excited about it too. I always love doing that. That makes me really happy.
I like it when, could be anybody, could be someone on the team, or it could be one of our clients, has been struggling with something for a long time, just to move past it. And when you actually do it, it's like this huge, I should have done this years ago, like this huge release almost. I just finally did this thing. We get this with clients quite a bit, where they were struggling, and then they try something new and it's like, all this problem has been solved. I love hearing that story from someone that we've actually taken a step forward. That we've had a little bit of that for some reason more recently than normal. Maybe because we've got more clients joining up than normal. Yeah, a lot of people are going, yeah, that's great. Never thought of it that way. To me, that's like getting paid. Yeah. But if we're thinking about something that puts a smile on your face, second thing that I would say is, if I'm working in my office and for some reason the doors are open and just randomly Coda runs up into my office, and it's like, you know what he's like? It's like he's the happiest animal in the whole world, and he just comes up. It's like you just can't help but smile when he comes up, because he's smiling from ear to ear and he's got his stick and he wants you to do something.
He's such a good boy.
Yeah.
That really puts a smile on my face, because it happens so randomly and not very often.
Dogs in the office.
Yeah.
What a treat.
Yeah, and it's because usually the doors are closed, right? So we can't.
What's one tip you do from the first day that you started working? Even as the owner, the first day you started the business.
Yeah, that's actually good. Yeah, I wonder what. Well, for me, I would just tell myself to chill out, because I think when I started full time, I was pretty stressed because I wasn't sure if I could actually add anything properly. You know, I felt like maybe I was out of my depth, but I feel like I settled in pretty quick and realized that, like, yeah, my skill set is, perfectly suited for the role here, and yeah, I would tell myself to chill out a little bit. Bit overthinking.
I would say learn the difference between when Bruce is in creative mode and Bruce wants things done mode.
Yeah, we've got to have better signs for that, don't we?
No, I think we've mastered it now.
Oh, good.
I think when I first started, it was a little bit, and I'm a doer. I think you know that about me. I'm like a problem solver.
Yeah.
And I often work, even when I'm working with clients. Even I had a conversation with Gail the other day from Spoke Joinery, the marketing front. I really love how your mind works, because I can see that when I'm talking, you've got these, like, your mind ticking over in problem solving mode. And so I've always been a problem solver. And even if there's no problem, I'm like still trying to solve the problem. So my thing is chill out, listen. You don't have to solve problems all the time. Just know when each individual in your team are there just talking about ideas.
For me, I would think, like, I go back to when it was just me, like in the early days when it was just me doing it, and I didn't have a lot of confidence. I didn't trust the process. I didn't trust. So I think the thing that I would tell myself back then is to fully commit, because it was, in the early days when you're on your own and things aren't really going the way they should and you're not really having the success you want, you always look for the plan B rather than committing to plan A and making it successful. And that's what I would probably tell myself, and to chill out.
You could instantly master a skill. I'll say mine, because just math in general, I still can count on my fingers. I'm terrible at math. Terrible. I dropped out of math from year 12.
Wow.
Like, I was like, nope, not doing that.
Yeah, I didn't do math in year 12 either.
Yeah, not for me. No, thank you, Satan. Not today. Yeah, math.
You did algebra 11, and I'm terrible at math. But the teacher was great.
I had a great teacher 11 and I had an awful teacher in 12.
Well, yeah, I think it does come down to the teacher because
Yeah.
you're good at math, you just don't know it.
Yes.
Yeah. For me, the skill, so I originally thought hand gliding. I thought that would be great to be able to fly. Like, every human should fly. I think evolution should have made us so that we could fly. Of course, that's not the case. Now that I've thought about this a little bit, I actually think I would love, and this is a split between the two, I would love to be able to sing really well. And I'd love to be able to play the guitar exceptionally well.
Singing a skill.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, very much.
Okay.
Not everybody can sing exceptionally well, but
Yes. Okay.
I think everybody can be taught to find your range so you don't
Anyone can
hurt
be taught
people's
to-
ears.
how to- I'd love to master how to rally race.
Yeah.
I think
Oh,
that
yeah.
would be sick.
That would be good.
Because you see, the WRC, how fast they go around these windy roads and that.
Yeah, they just listen to the co-pilot telling them where to go and they just do it.
Yeah, it's all happening in like one split of a second. And if
unbelievably
they
fast.
Mess up a little bit, they could go flying off.
They're right off a cliff.
Yeah. It's so funny though, because the cars are so safe that they'll go off a cliff, you'll see it bang across and then hit a tree, and then they'll get out and go, I'm so sad I lost that race. I'm like completely fine. So I think that would be awesome to master, because I'd love to be able to think that quickly and be able to zip around like that, including like the drifting around corners. Like, yeah, I really think rally racing is an underrated art form, really.
And that's the wrap. That's the rapidy wrap on the Joinery Business podcast.
Yeah, just a fun little chat. Off center.
Is that a wrap?
Yeah.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap to this podcast. It's like a Seinfeld episode, right? It's a podcast about nothing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I love Seinfeld so much. A show about nothing.
You ever notice that if you start watching something on your social media feed, now it's
Everywhere.
there all the time?
Yeah.
Obviously,
Everywhere.
now I've got Seinfeld episodes popping up like every third post. Because every time I watch the full episode on the little
That
snippet.
could be my fault, because I may have tapped in Seinfeld. I was looking for a meme the other day, and I may have been on the Joinery Coach.
But I could go not interested and it doesn't appear anymore.
Yeah.
But no, I watch the full clip.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then they all start popping up.
Grace and I are rewatching Seinfeld currently, and what made me really laugh is I think it's a episode in season 1. They're just sitting and having coffee and having a conversation, and the scene ends because George accidentally swallowed a fly. He starts panicking, going, "What can happen? What's gonna happen to me?" And Jerry's like, just thought it was so
I love
funny.
those little clips where they're sitting in the cafe
Yeah.
and Jerry goes, "What are we doing?
What kind of lives are these?
What life is this?"
Like,
George-
what do you mean?
George is going, "What?
This.
We're
What
just
kind of lives are these?
what? We're not people."
So good. It's so funny.
So good.
Okay.
There you go.
That's it.
I hope you all took some joinery advice from this.
And wrap it up.
Top tips
Yeah.
for the joinery.
Yeah.
Watch
For this
Seinfeld.
episode.
Figure out what your favorite thing to do is. Figure out who you're going to swap.
Rolls with.
Rolls
yeah,
with.
It's very important.
Best karaoke song.
Best
like,
karaoke
yeah,
song?
There you go.
Yeah.
And put it on the whiteboard. Yeah.
Fantastic. All right. Good talking with you, sir.
Okay. Well done.